Hi, my name's Paul Young. I'm a Director and Chief Lighting Engineer at LED Lights for You. Now today I'm going to talk about 5-foot fluorescent twins. This is one I have here. An LED Batten. This is a 40 watt twin Epistar LED Batten. Let's just take the costing of this. This is 58 watts per tube, about 10 watts for the choke. You're talking about 126 watts. Multiply that by 50 hours a week, 50 weeks a year, that's 2,500 hours altogether. And the cost of this is just under £40 a year to run each one of these. So if you've got these in your workshop or your factory, £40. If they're 6 foot, which is more common, they're going to cost you around about £50 a year each, and you've got to put tubes in them about every 2 to 3 years. So you add that on as well. So you're talking about, this is about £45 a year to run on average. And if you don't take into account, of course, the labour of putting that in. So if you've got a big factory and you've got 100 of these or 200 of them, some of them have got 500, you're talking about £5,000 a year just to run your lights. £5,000 a year. So here we have a 5-foot Batten LED. This is 5,200 lumen. It's actually brighter than this. It's instant. It's got a guarantee of 3 years, and this is Epistar LEDs, which are the same LEDs that are used in a Sony TVs. They last for years. We're talking something here that's built to last for 50,000 hours, which is something like 15 to 20 years in use. And again, if you multiply by 2,500 hours, this is only 40 watts. So of course, the cost of running this is £12.50. So this is around about £45, and this is going to cost you £12.50, and it's only £47 to buy. So that gives you an idea of what the difference is. So just by having a factory with 100 of these, you're going to save yourself £3,500 or £3,750 a year. 500, that's 18,000 a year. So you work out the figures. You can see there's big savings to be made on your energy. Just to show you the comparison, I'll plug in the oh, is it on? Yes. Oh yes, flick. There we are. That's your that's your fluorescent, and here's your LED. This is a 4000K. That's about 2,500K, which is not a bit yellow really, but anyway, that's the difference in the light. As I say, if you'd like to book a survey, Paul Young, LED Lights for You. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.